Hey guys, Jenny PRD. Thanks so much for checking in. My diet tips and metabolism booster series continues with the ketogenic diet. So what is the keto diet? People who follow a keto diet have very high fat intake and very low carb intake and a medium amount of protein. So the goal here is for our bodies to burn that fat, and the result is ketones, which causes our bodies to go into a state of ketosis. Again, ketosis is the goal of the keto diet. Ketosis is different than ketoacidosis. Ketoacidosis is a complication that can occur in people with diabetes when their blood sugar is too high and their ketones in their body is too high because insulin isn't working properly, or they're not getting insulin. And this can result in your blood being too acidic, which can cause damage to your kidneys and liver and even death. So people who follow the keto diet, 75% of their diet should be fat. And this is going to come from oils and butter and avocado, as well as fatty types of protein. So again, the marbling types of meats, fatty fish, and then chicken with the skin, and eggs with the yolk, things like that, to make sure they're getting all that fat, 75%. And then non-starchy vegetables as well. So mushrooms, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, tomatoes, carrots, things like that are all allowed on the ketogenic diet. Foods that are not allowed are grains, so oatmeal, whole wheat pasta, whole grain bread, pancakes, waffles, pizza, rice, quinoa, any type of grain, not allowed. No fruits whatsoever, and even dairy should be limited, if not non-existing, because there are naturally occurring carbohydrates in milk, and so also in yogurt, and there's some in cheese. So you shouldn't have dairy as well. So that being said, as a registered dietitian, I personally could not recommend a ketogenic diet as a means for weight loss or kind of whatever your goals are, because so many food groups are missing, and with that, so many different nutrients are missing. So people feel that the ketogenic diet can help with epilepsy, help with Alzheimer's, help with Parkinson's, as well as some cancers. However, there's not much concrete evidence and research out there. Research is ongoing, so time will tell, what the result is on that. So again, if you do follow this keto diet and 75% of your diet needs to be fat, if you have an 1,800 calorie diet to a 2,000 calorie diet, that's 150 to 170 grams of fat per day. So you're looking at about 30 grams of fat per meal. So how are you going to get that? You can simply have 6 whole eggs for your 30 grams of fat and add that to some spinach and mushrooms and onions, and that's going to be your meal. Or you can have 4-ounce piece of salmon and then add a tablespoon of butter or oil, and have that with some steamed broccoli on the side. So again, you're going to shoot for 30 grams of fat per meal at least 5 times a day to get to that 150 grams of fat if you fall within that 1,800 calorie range. So me, as a registered dietitian, again, I couldn't promote this because of all the different food groups that are missing, but people have said that they have lost weight. But again, I'm not sure how long they can keep that weight off by, strictly staying on this diet. Other side effects, if you will, or results of this diet are bad breath from all the ketones in your body, insomnia or not being able to sleep, fatigue and weakness, digestive issues, as well as reduced athletic performance. So again, I'm not sure if the pro of weight loss outweighs all those cons, but that choice is yours. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.